Enago Rental Housing Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get property management software wrong. They assume it's complicated or only for large portfolios. The surprising truth about Enago is that it's designed to simplify rental management for landlords and tenants, and you won't believe how much time it can save while keeping everything organized. Here's how it works. Enago lets landlords handle applications, leases, payments, and maintenance requests in one platform. Tenants can submit forms, pay rent online, and communicate with landlords, reducing calls and paperwork. For example, a small landlord managing 5 properties can use Enago to screen applicants, collect digital signatures, and automate monthly rent reminders. Most people get this wrong. They assume small-scale landlords don't need software, but Enago makes everyday tasks more efficient, prevents missed payments, and keeps all records secure. Additional features include online document storage, automated reminders, customizable lease templates, and secure payment processing. Users praise ease of use, responsive support, and the ability to track financials without spreadsheets. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features, like third-party integrations, may be limited, and tenant adoption depends on clear instructions. Most people assume rental management software is unnecessary for a few units. It can actually save hours every month. In conclusion, Enago is ideal for small to medium landlords seeking an intuitive, efficient, and secure way to manage properties and communicate with tenants. It's a modern solution that reduces headaches and improves professionalism. Subscribe for more honest reviews of rental housing and property management tools.